Chapter Fundamental Concepts of Algebra for Grade 6. Topic Algebraic Expressions. Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain the topic Fundamental Concepts of Algebra for Grade 6. We have studied different branches of mathematics like arithmetics, in which we have studied about numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. In geometry, we have studied about line, different shapes, etc. Similarly, now we will understand what is algebra. Algebra consists of two main parts, that is constant and variable. Constants are numbers and they have fixed values, whereas variables, we denote it by alphabets or letters, and the value of those variables vary or changes. For example, a plus 3, here a is a variable and 3 is a constant. Next, we will understand algebraic expressions. An expression formed by combining constant and variables by joining them by any one or more mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division forms an algebraic expression. So, algebraic expression, an expression formed by the combination of constants and variables connected by one or more mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. In this example, a plus 3, variable and constant is combined and they are connected by one mathematical operation, that is addition. In second example, 2n minus m plus 7, here the constant and variables are connected by two mathematical operations, that is subtraction and addition. Some algebraic expressions are given to us, and here we will separate the constants and variables of the given algebraic expressions. First example is 2p plus 6. So here the constants are 2 and 6. 2 and 6 are the constants in first example. Variable is p. Second example is 3m minus 5n plus 4. So here the first constant in this algebraic expression is 3. Second constant is minus 5. Constant we always write along with the sign. Here we are not giving sign because it is plus. When no sign is given, it is understood that plus is present or that is a positive number. Next constant in this example is 4. The variables in second algebraic expressions are m and n. Next example is a plus b. Here a plus b means 1a we are adding with 1b. So the constants in this algebraic expression are 1 and 1 and variables are a and b. Similarly, in the next example, p minus q, that means 1p minus 1q. So here the constants will be 1 and minus 1 and variables are p and q. Next algebraic expression given to us is a upon 7. So here a is there, that means it is 1a. So the constants in this algebraic expression are 1 and 7, and variable is only one, that is a. Next example is minus 8x upon y. The constants in this algebraic expression are minus 8. It is 1y, that means next constant is 1. The variables in this expression are x and y. Now we will understand how to write an algebraic expression for the given statement. First, we will understand simple algebraic expression involving only one mathematical operation. Statements are given to us and we will write the algebraic expression form for that statement. First statement is sum of 4 and a. Sum means addition. So here sum of 4 and a means 4 plus a. Sum of b and 7. So here again the word sum is there. So we will add it. We will write b first and we will add 7 to it. So the algebraic expression will be b plus 7. Next is d added to 3. It is added word is given. So it is simple to understand that we have to do addition. 2, 3. So here first we will write 3 and to this 3 we have to add d. That means 3 plus d. 5 added to x. So here 2x. So here first we will write x and to this x we will add 5. So the algebraic expression will become x plus 5. Increase 6 by p. Increase, again when we increase something, that means we add. So when word increase comes, again we have to do addition. Increase 6 by p. So first we will write 6 and we will increase it by p. So 6 plus p. N more than 2. So here we will write 2 plus n. The word more means addition. So n more than 2. So we will write 2 and we will add n to it. So 2 plus n. Next is sum of p and q. So it's very simple. P plus q. Now we will see few simple algebraic expressions for subtraction. First statement is subtract m from n. So here from n is there, that means we have to write n first and from that we have to subtract m. So the algebraic expression will be n minus m. 12 less than p. So here less than word is there, that means here we have to do subtraction. That means we will use minus sign. 12 less than p. So here first we will write p and we will subtract 12 from it. So the expression will be p minus 12. M taken away from 42. Taken away word is there. That means it is subtraction or minus. So M taken away from 42. So 42 first we will write and we will take away M from it. So here 42 minus M. Decrease 10 by x. So decrease word is there. Decrease means we have to subtract. Decrease 10 by x. So here we have to write 10 and we have to decrease it by x. So 10 minus x. D less than 59. So here less than again word is there. So that means subtraction or minus. D less than 59. 59 minus D. 7 subtracted from A. So here A minus 7, because from A, so first we will write A and we will subtract 7 from it. Y decreased by 15. So here decreased word is there, that means we have to subtract or minus. Y decreased by 15. So here first we will write Y and we will minus 15 from it. Subtract B from 21. So here first we will write 21 and we will subtract B from it. So minus B. 21 minus B. Now we will see few statements for multiplication and division. First statement is product of m and 5. The word product means it is multiplication. So here product of m and 5. So m into 5. But for multiplication, always remember that we write constant first and then we write variable. So 5 into m and it becomes 5m. And usually we don't give the sign of multiplication. So we don't write in this way. We write it the first constant and then the variable. Second statement is 9 times m. That is 9 into m. So it will become 9m. A times b. So that is a into b. Times means multiplication. So it is ab. 1/3 of q. Of means multiplication. So 1/3 of q. So here 1/3 q. Next statements we will see of division. 7 divided by p. It's very simple. 7 upon p. N divided by 2. So here n upon 2. Quotient of n by 6. So first we will write n. The word quotient is there and it is related to division. So always remember that here we have to write n upon 6. Quotient of 12 by a. So here 12 upon a. Now we will understand how to write algebraic expressions of the statements involving more than one mathematical operations. First statement is 4 added to the sum of 2 and m. We will divide this statement into different parts. The first part will be sum of 2 and m. So here 2 plus m. We will write in bracket and we have to add 4 to it. So the algebraic expression will become 2 plus m plus 4. So here 4 added to the sum of 2 and m is 2 plus m plus 4. Next is decrease the sum of n6 by 9. Again we will divide the statement into parts. Sum of n6. Sum of n6. And what we have to do? Decrease the sum by 9. This sum we have to decrease by 9. So we will minus 9 from this. So here the algebraic expression becomes n plus 6 minus 9. Next statement is 5 times p added to 12. So here added to what? Added to 12. So first we will write 12 over here and we will add to it 5 times p. 5 times p is 5 into p, or directly we can write here, that is 5p. Next statement is subtract the product of A and B from 34. From 34. So first we will write 34 and we will subtract the product of A and B from this. So that is A into B, or we can write 34 minus AB. Next statement is Z multiplied by the sum of Y and 8. So sum of Y and 8 will be Y plus 8. And the first part is Z multiplied by. So first we will write Z and we will multiply it by sum of Y and 8. So here the algebraic expression becomes Z into Y plus 8. This we can write Z Y plus 8 in this way also. Subtract A from 2 times B. So here first thing is 2 times B. That is 2 into B, that is 2B, and we have to subtract A from. So minus A. So the algebraic expression for this statement will be 2B minus A. Next statement is increase X by the product of 9 and D. Product of 9 and D will be 9D. Increase X by. So first we will write X and we will increase, that means we will add the product of 9 and D, that is 9D. So the algebraic expression here becomes X plus 9D. Next statement is 1/5 of the sum of 3 and D. Sum of 3 and D will be 3 plus D. And what we have to do? 1/5 of. So here we will write 1/5 of means into 1/5 we have written, of means into of 3 added to D, or sum of 3 and D. So the algebraic expression here becomes 1/5 into 3 plus D. Next statement is subtract the quotient of m by 4 from 27. So again from 27, so we will write 27 first and subtract, so we will get the sign of minus and quotient of m by 4. So m upon 4. So the algebraic equation becomes 27 minus m upon 4. Next statement is quotient of a by 8. Quotient of a by 8 means a upon 8. Added to the product of 9 and b. Product of 9 and b is 9 into b, that is 9b. Now we have to join these two parts of the statement. Quotient of a by 8 is added to the product of. So first we will write the product, that is 9b, and we will add to this the quotient, that is a upon 8. Quotient of a by 8, that is a upon 8. So the final algebraic expression for the statement quotient of a by 8 added to the product of 9 and b is 9b plus a upon 8. Till now we have learned how to write algebraic expression for the given statement. Now we will understand how we can write the statement for the given algebraic expression. First example is a plus 27. So here in a simple way we can write it is the sum of a and 27. Or we can write 27 added to A. Second example, 2 plus n. So increase 2 by n. Third example, 38 minus h. Subtract h from 38. Next is z minus 4. So subtract 4 from z. 18 upon d. Quotient of 18 by d. I hope you have understood the topics covered in this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.